Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's discuss on the title Classification based on 3D DWT and Decision Fusion for Hyperspectral Image Analysis. In this paper, a fusion classification system based upon a wavelet coefficient correlation matrix is used as a feature grouping. Specifically, 3D DWT coefficients are extracted as spectral spatial features for classification. Partitioning based on the WCM breaks down the wavelet feature space into approximately independent subspaces. After that, a classification, namely LDA based MLE, LFDA based GMM, and SVM, which is based on radial bias function, along with the decision fusion in the form of majority voting, is then invoked to combine these results into single classification decision per pixel. The proposed algorithm solves the small sample size problem via WCM feature grouping and also provides noise robust classification. Now regarding the data flow diagram, consider an original data which is a hyperspectral image and subjected to a sliding window algorithm. The result of the sliding window technique will be subjected to 3D discrete wavelet transform with hard filters, and that will provide you with the wavelet decomposed coefficients, which is then given to wavelet correlation matrix computation. The wavelet correlation matrix computation is then grouped and it is provided to individual classifiers. Classifier 1 is LDA MLE, classifier 2 is LDA GMM, and classifier 3 is SPM RBF. All the three classifiers are fused using the decision fusion formula provided, and this decision fusion formula will provide you with the class label which represent each pixel classification. Now let's click on to the execution of the program. To execute the program, press main hyperspectral.m file and press run file. The coding will be executed and appropriate classification results will be displayed. First we will be getting LDA MLE result and then LFDA GMM and SVM RBF. Finally, this is the decision fusion label. For fusion based technique, you have used the hard decision rule, where the confidence score of the ith classifier, that is I stands for each of the classifier, a class label from one of the possible classes for the text pixel, and the classifier index and the number of classifiers. Everything will be detected in the bank of classifier. So as a conclusion, here we have used a window 3D DWT for simultaneous spectral spatial feature extraction. The WCM feature banding method was proposed to break down the wavelet feature space into approximately independent contiguous subspaces. After that, a ME based decision fusion combined with bank of multi-classifiers, which is discussed before, the namely 3 LDA MLE, LFDA GMM, and SVM RBF, was invoked to combine these results into a single classification decision. Experimental results demonstrated proposed system require only small number of training samples for effective classification. Thank you.